Hi there, my name is Dmitry Karnikhov, and I'm the founder and lead developer of the OpenMic. First of all, I would like to thank you for registering on our tiny platform. It means a lot to us, and we are always excited to have new members in our community. In this quick video, I'm going to show you why it is important to have a complete profile on the OpenMic, and how you can benefit from having a complete profile. The OpenMic is a blogging community for translators. When you can read and write articles, when you can create a stunning profile, and when you can meet your colleagues and even find clients. So when you sign up for an account on the OpenMic, you have a profile, and you can edit this profile and add a ton of information about yourself. You can add information about your languages, about your fields of expertise. You can add your biography and information about your education. All of this is important because complete profile will help you be displayed in our awesome directory. Let me show you how it looks like. This is what our directory looks like, and this is what our clients use to find and contact translators. So once you complete your profile will show up in our directory, and it will be much more easier for potential clients and your colleagues to find and contact you with potential projects or ideas for collaboration. So the first thing you need to do if you want to complete your profile, you just put your mouse over here in the corner and you click View Profile. So this is your profile. I have just created a test account for the purposes of this video, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to complete your profile, and it doesn't really take too much time, maybe a couple of minutes. So in order to edit your profile, you can just click on this cogwheel here, then click Edit Profile. It will open a profile editor where you will be able to complete all the fields, upload your profile information, write your short bio here. Let's start by uploading a profile picture, for example. Click on the profile photo here and click Upload Profile. Let's upload a photo. Let me quickly find something I have here. Confused Travolta. No, it's not gonna work. All right, I have this fun picture of myself here. So you can change the photo the way you like it. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a lot of additional information. There is a welcome message here waiting for you with additional instructions. So basically, your profile completion form is divided into steps. And all you have to do is you just read the welcome message and go through your profile step by step, reading the information about each step. Each step contains a sort of a question. For example, would you like to add some personal information? If you click yes, it will open additional sections where you will be able to add additional personal information. If you click no, you won't see this section. So let's click yes here. As you can see, we just added additional fields here. So let's complete it. Canada, years of experience, mobile phone number, source language. We have to do is just type, and we have a list of all the languages available. Skype ID, native language, types of services. We have a lot of variations of types of services, so basically you can find anything here. Video game localization, for example. Preferred contact method, let's say email. Membership in professional associations. We have a list of associations. If you don't find your association here, just let us know and we will add it to the list. I'm not a member of any association, so I can just click none. You can also add links to your pros.com and Zing profiles. If you have a pros.com profile, simply answer yes to this message here, and you will see two additional fields where you can add a link to your pros profile and a link to your willingness of working again link on pros.com. This is a link with reviews of your clients from pros. Let's add a link to my pros.com profile, for example. Right. You can also add your TM-Town badge. TM-Town is a new platform that allows you to store your translation memories and use them to find clients. You can add a badge here. If you select yes, you will see an additional field and additional instructions, but I'm just going to skip this for now. You can also add a call to action button. There are also some additional instructions how to add it. Basically, it will add the button in the middle of your profile, and clients will be able to click on that button and send you a quick email. You can also add information about your rates. We have some instruction about rates here. If you don't want to add your rates, it's okay. You can skip them. But I figured we'd add this field because sometimes clients really want to know how much it's going to cost before they contact you. So by giving at least an average rate, you will save them a lot of time. And you can also add additional comments about your rates. For example, you can always add a comment say that the rates that are displayed in your profile are just average, and you can encourage your clients to contact you so you could provide them with a better estimate. You can also add fields of expertise and areas of interest, and these are very important because this is what is used in the directory. So please fill out this form and make sure you provide all the fields of expertise you're expert of. For example, video games, marketing, something like that. Here, also interested in advertising, copyright. All right, let's stay social. This field here, this section here, allows you to add links to social networks. And by adding links to the social networks, you will be able to make it easier for clients to connect with you on social media. They will be able to follow you on Twitter, for example, or visit your Facebook page. So if you click yes here, you'll see additional fields for all the types of social media that are most popular among translators. Let's add my Facebook page, for example, my Twitter account, and you can always update and save your profile by scrolling below and clicking update profile. Once you update your profile, you'll see that information has been added and you'll see all the changes that you've made. You can always update your profile. You can always fill out a portion of your profile and go back to it once you have more time. But as you can see, it doesn't really very difficult, and it only takes a few minutes of your time if you want to complete your profile. The next step is education. If you click yes here, you will be able to add the name of your university or college or school, the area of your study, graduation year. Let's type something here. Graduation year. Example. Oops, typo. Right. Step your biography and experience. By clicking yes in this field, you will be able to add additional information about your biography and experience. The cool thing about this field here is that it accepts HTML when you open the tags tab here. So you can get creative. You can use HTML to complete, to show your biography and experience and style. In my case, I'm going to use the same biography I use, for example, at pros.com. So here on pros, I have already filled out my biography, so I don't want to type the same thing over and over again. So I'm just going to click edit, and I'm just going to copy paste the entire text here back to my profile here in the text field. All right, It should be good to go. You can also upload your CV, translation samples, and credentials. Only registered agency and direct clients and project managers will be able to see your translation samples and credentials. So if you choose yes here, you will be able to upload the file. We accept PDF formats and doc documents. And once you upload those files will be attached to the profile, and everyone who's registered on our platform and who's viewing your profile will be able to view your credentials and your translation samples or your CV. Step 11 is a step where you can add yourself to a map. We have a pretty cool map of translators in our directory. Let me show you how it looks like. Let's go to this form. In this map, you will be able to add your profile to a global map of translators and interpreters. So if a client is looking for someone from a specific city or country, your profile will be displayed on this global map here. For example, if I go here to Toronto, I'll probably find myself here. Yep, here I am in Toronto, Michigan-Gardenhof. It also displays how many user experience you have, your rates, and information of your fields of expertise. And whenever clients are using this directory to find translators, they will be able to see everyone on the map if you add your address in this field here below. But I'm not going to do this right now. We also have experimental step 12, where you can make your profile extra special with JavaScript. This is for tech-savvy folks. You can safely ignore it if you don't know what JavaScript is. But basically, you'll be able to add code snippets. For example, widgets from such services as Calendly, Talk, or Drift, and many others that will help you add, for example, a chat widget to your OpenMic profile, or a widget that would allow your clients to book phone consultation with you. Those widgets are provided by third-party services, like I said, Calendly, Talk to, Drift, and many others. And by enabling this field here, you will be able to add your JavaScript here. So we are basically done with it. So the last thing here, you just have to select if you uploaded your CV, credentials, and or if you have membership in associations. This is required for our directory. And basically, this is it. You have just completed your OpenMic profile. All you have to do is click Save by clicking on this Update Profile button. Great, so I have just completed my profile. It looks pretty awesome, and as you can see, I have copied pasted the HTML from my pros.com, and I have the same biography field, and it looks pretty great. Of course, my profile is not complete because I decided to not add the information about my rates or information about my app address. You can safely ignore it, or you can complete these fields if you like. Your clients will not see that your profile is incomplete. This is just for your information. So right now I have a pretty nice looking profile, and it only took me a couple of minutes. So please give the OpenMic a try. Make sure to complete your profile as soon as you have a few spare minutes of your time. And if you complete your profile, it will be much more easier for clients to find you on the OpenMic. Colleagues will be able to connect with you, send you messages, and you'll get some additional great benefits from having a complete profile. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks again for joining the OpenMic. I hope you have a ton of fun in this little community. And if you have any questions or if you have any problems, you can always connect with us or send us questions by going to Need Help, Submit a Support Ticket, or you can read our frequently asked questions sections, where you'll be able to find some questions to most common problems, some answers to most common problems. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.